Here is a parts list of my new PC builds. Case is a Fractal Design ArcMidi R2. Little AMD FX logo there, front I/O up top. For the internals, underneath there is an AMD FX 6300 clocked at 3.5 megahertz. The motherboard is an ASRock Extreme 3 970 chipset. The RAM, Corsair Vengeance, 8 gigabytes of that at 1866 megahertz. For the power supply, Antec High Current Gamer, 850 continuous power. And then for the video card, we got a Club 3D Royal King, which has 2 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and a clock speed of 1050 megahertz. And then the CPU cooler here is a Silverstone Tundra TD02 with 240mm rad. When it starts up, the little emblem on there lights up with little blue LEDs around. Nice little touch. Hard drives, I got a SanDisk 64 gigabyte solid state drive for my OS strictly. And then below that I have a Seagate Barracuda 1000 gigabyte hard drive. Thank you very much, and fair winds.